Hello, welcome to this short tutorial where I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT in order to compare potentially two very different websites. For the purpose of this exercise, I will compare two websites. One is owned and run by Coca-Cola company, the other is owned by car manufacturer Volkswagen. We'll be comparing them regarding three different dimensions. Brand image, the how modern, what is the look and feel of the website, and how easy it is to navigate on the website. Before I commence, please do remember we'll be performing the scrapping operation. Scrapping is not an illegal thing, but it all depends what are going to use with the content. If you will, for instance, pretend that the content that you scrap from the website is your very own, created by you, that's something, well, potentially illegal that can cause you any legal problems. For this exercise, I'm going to use ChatGPT version plus, GPT-4 model, and plugin Scraper. So here's our prompt. I will ask the application to scrap these websites. To make things more complicated, one is in English, the other is in Polish. And I am asking ChatGPT to compare them in terms of branding, look and feel, and navigation, and then show short conclusions, bullet points preferably, as from my experience, ChatGPT likes to write lengthy pieces of text that are simply impossible to digest. All right, so let's commence. And he started working. Let's see what the result is going to be. Okay, so first it's going to analyze individual websites. What are the features of these websites in regard to the three dimensions I mentioned? Perfect. And last thing that it is going to do is to compare. So for instance, VW focuses on product innovation, being ready for the future, Coca-Cola emphasizes community, history, etc. Look and feel. Both websites are modern, but for instance, Volkswagen has a more sophisticated look. Navigation, both offer clear navigation, and it is easy for users to find any information they look for. That's everything I wanted to show you in this short tutorial. Thank you for your attention, and until the next time.